Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another tutorial using the Morphe 39S palette. This time I decided to do more of a cranberry purple look, and I really hope you guys like it. So before I apply my transition shade, I already primed my eyelid using MAC Painterly Paint Pot. With the Morphe M441, I'm applying a light matte purple shade, and I'm applying this a little bit above my crease. Next, with the Morphe M441 brush, I'll be applying a matte cranberry shade, and this eyeshadow is going to be applied mostly on the outer corner of the eye and maybe 2/3 of the lid. With a wet M124 brush, I'm applying a shimmery copper shade, and the reason why I went with this is because it has small pink specks of glitter, and I thought that this color would actually go nicely with the purple and the wine cranberry color. Now for my lower lash line, I'll be applying the same cranberry shade I applied on the 2/3 of my lid. I'll be applying this to my lower lash line and smudging it with the M124 brush. Lastly, I'm adding a little bit of a highlight to my inner eye, and I decided to go with the silk topper. This one is a rosy peachy color, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M431 brush. So here's the complete look. I apply mascara to my bottom lashes, and the lashes I'm wearing are from the Makeupshack in the style All I Know. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please let me know what you guys think, and if you guys do recreate any of my looks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.